Hi children, this is the continued part of the chapter Profit and the Loss. In the previous class, we have discussed about the cost price and then selling price. And then we have solved many problems. We calculated the profit and gain also using the formulas. So today we will discuss about how to find the selling price and the cost price. So the first case, in case of loss, in case the shopkeeper suffers a loss, so we know the formula loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, because in this case selling price is less than the cost price. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. We know this already. So how to find the selling price in case of loss? So here one more formula, just rearrangement. SP, that is selling price, is equal to CP minus loss. This is the formula. Then cost price in case of loss. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Similarly, in case of profit, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, because in this case cost price is less than selling price. So SP minus CP. So in case of profit, how to find the selling price and then cost price? So just rearrangement of this formula. So that is SP is equal to CP plus profit, that is a cost price plus profit, then CP. The cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So dear children, this is important formulas we need to remember. So now let us take few examples. Find the cost price 1. The selling price is 200 rupees and the profit is 50 rupees. So here students, concentrate, don't get confusion here. So here which formula we have to use now? So here 4 formulas are there. So which formula we have to use? So here profit is there, profit is given. So in case of profit, so observe now, in case of profit we need to find the CP. So this formula, we need to use now. So write here, then again one more time you write. The given data is the selling price is 200 and the profit is 50 rupees. So now here use the formula CP is equal to SP minus profit is equal to SP, the given SP. Selling price is 200 rupees minus the profit is 50 rupees. We can subtract directly. So 200 minus 50 is equal to 150 rupees. So the cost price is 150 rupees and the selling price is 200 rupees. So then the profit is 50 rupees. So our answer is correct. The second problem. So find the CP 1. The selling price is 1730 rupees and the loss is 402 and 30 paise. So here students, which formula we have to use? So here loss is given. So the loss is there. So in case of loss, observe carefully. In case of loss, we need to find the cost price. So we need to use this formula. So I write the formula. CP is equal to selling price plus loss. Then is equal to selling price is 1730 rupees and the loss is 402 rupees 30 paise. So now this is the money addition. You should add like this. So finally we get the cost price is equal to 2132 rupees and 30 paise. So this is the cost price. Similarly, third example, find the CP, cost price 1. The selling price is 550 rupees and the profit is 80 rupees and 75 paise. So first list out the given data. So right here like this. Then which formula we have to use? So again similarly the cost price. In case of profit, so the cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So selling price is equal to 550 rupees and the profit is 80 rupees 75 paise. So this is the money subtraction. So now, so here students, do like this, 550 rupees, this one, the second term having paise, 80 rupees 75 paise. So in the first term, write 550.00. Then do the subtraction. So 0 minus 5 we can't. So we need to borrow from this place. So then 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Then here 4 is there. We can't subtract. So we need to borrow from the hundreds place. So 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So then here 4. So you know the subtraction. So finally we got the answer, that is rupees 469 and 25 paise. This is the cost price. The next main, find the selling price when. So the first question, the cost price is equal to 540 rupees and the profit is 15 rupees. So now remember the formula. So solution. So list out the given data. CP is equal to 540 rupees. The profit is 15 rupees. So which formula we have to use? So in case of profit, so the selling price is equal to the cost price plus profit. So now the CP is 540 rupees. Then the profit is 15 rupees. So now find the SP is equal to, and now 540 plus 15 is equal to 545 rupees. Write the rupee symbol. So this is the SP, the selling price. Similarly, one more question. The second one, the CP is equal to 2000 rupees. Then the loss. So in this problem, loss is given. So don't get confusion. Change the formula now. Loss is 110 rupees. So then now solution. Write the given data. So CP is equal to 2000 rupees. Then here the loss. The loss is equal to 110 rupees. So now in case of loss, so the selling price is equal to CP minus loss. We need to remember all the formulas. Then only we can write this. So now CP, the cost price is 2000 rupees minus the loss 110 rupees. We can subtract directly. So 2000 minus 110 is equal to 1000. If you want, you can do the subtraction here. So 1890. And I wrote directly. So the SP is equal to 1890 rupees. The selling price. The cost price is 2000. So then the loss is 110 rupees. Similarly, the next one, the cost, find the SP1, the cost price is 1055 rupees and the loss is 210 and 210 rupees 50 paise. So write the given data, then use the formula. In case of loss, the selling price is equal to CP minus the cost price minus the loss. So do the subtraction. So here don't get confusion. So here paise is given. So in the first term write 00, 1055 rupees. So 00 indicates that is paise. So the same value 1055 rupees. So finally we get the answer 844 rupees and 50 paise. So this is the SP, the selling price. Now children, we will discuss few word problems. First example, a shopkeeper sold a ring for 1040 rupees at a loss of 908 rupees. Find the cost price of the ring. So here students, first write the given data. First list out the given data. So here shopkeeper sold a ring. Sold a ring means that is the selling price is given. Selling price of the ring is 1040 rupees at a loss means loss is given, so that is rupees 908 rupees. Find the CP of the ring. So now we need to find the cost price of the ring. Which formula we have to use now? So here students, in case of loss is given. So in case of loss, the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. You have to use this formula. Need to remember all the formula, students. So the selling price is 1000. Substitute the given data 1040 rupees. Then the loss is 908 rupees. So add now. So CP is equal to. So add now 8, then 4, then here 9 and 1. So the cost price of the ring is 1948 rupees. This is the cost price. Then the selling price is 1040. The cost price is more, the selling price is less. So the shopkeeper suffers a loss. That is, the loss is 908 rupees. The next problem. Raju earned a profit of 575 rupees by selling certain bags of sugar for 7525 rupees. Find the cost price of the sugar. So here students, list out the given data first. So the Raju earned a profit. Raju earned a profit means profit is given, that is rupees 575 rupees by selling certain bags of sugar. Selling means that is selling price of the sugar is given, that is this one 7525 rupees. So find the cost price of the sugar. Cost price of the sugar to find now. So which formula we have to use? So students, so here profit is given. So in case of profit, we need to find the CP. So use the formula, that is CP is equal to SP minus profit. SP, that is selling price, minus profit. Then the selling price is, so that is 7525 minus the profit is 5075. So subtract now. So then we will get 5 minus 5 0, then 2 minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then 4 minus 5 we can't. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, then here 6. If you want, do the subtraction here. So this is the cost price. Dear children, once again you practice the formulas properly and do the given homework. Thank you.